An RV is a van that people can live in it usually while they are on vacation, that equipped with things like beds, toilets, and cooking equipments, so RV is an abbreviation for recreational vehicle. Here we look at the 5 most luxurious RVs that are on sale today. Number 1. Mobile Element Palazzo Superior. Price? $3 million USD, often referred to as the most luxurious mobile home in the world. The Mobile Element Palazzo Superior is the company's top-of-line model and an absolute revelation for many RVers. The RV's striking exterior is only rivaled by the luxuriousness of its interior and the features inside. The Palazzo Superior offers a massive lounge area, a sky lounge on top of the RV, a kitchen with modern appliances, a bathroom with a hygiene cleaning program, a master bedroom with a king-size bed, and many more. It provides an exclusive experience unlike any other. Number 2. Newmer King Air 4553. Price? Around $1 million USD. Newmer King Air is the most luxurious coach of Newmer. The coach features and amenities are completely unique to King Air that are not available on any other Newmer coach. King Air exhibits what Newmer is capable of. It consists of a luxurious kitchen, dining area with the best appliances, bathrooms, a spacious bedroom with a king bed, and storage space. You'll live a life of luxury no matter where you go if you own this coach. Number 3. Prevost H345 VIP. Price? $2 million USD or more. Prevost H345 RV is built for comfort. The motorhome features the tallest enabling interior height, more floor space than the other RVs, large windows, underfloor storage space, several floorplan options, and plenty of high-class interiors and furniture. Number 4. Marathon Coach number 1340. Price? $2 million USD or more. Marathon is the world leader in luxury motorhomes. Family-owned Marathon Coach has produced over 1,300 luxury motorhomes for customers across the globe since 1983. Marathon Coach number 1340 is really more of a line of RVs, and the price is well over $2 million, and they're worth every penny. If the options available to you are simply not quite right, you can also have a motor coach custom built. Marathon Coach number 1340 feature the absolute best materials. Number 5. 2022 Newell Coach P50. Price? Around $2 million USD. Newell Coach P50 is an ultra-luxury coach built by the Newell Coach. That runs right around $2 million USD. Newell Coach P50 gives you tons of floor space. The kitchen offers some of the best appliances you'll find anywhere in the world, and there are a couple of bathrooms, a large master bedroom with a king bed, and more storage. This is a luxurious home on wheels that you can buy if you have the money. Please feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.